Okay, this is a tutorial on how to use the formula of nested if on Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we are facing again on this new video on this occasions and opportunity. I think that it is important to know and to learn about how to use nested if on Microsoft Excel. It's about nested if. I think that if credit having some nested on it, and as I said before that we will learn about the nested if. So the functions of nested if, it is used to look for a value with criteria having some criteria that have one more and more criteria. So for example, here I have data about name, gender, school, and value. So it's about convert, yes, convert data to be a value. Okay, 91 until 100 will be credit A, 71 until 90 will be B, and etc. until C and D. It's a credit, okay? It's nested if. So we have some criteria how to use it on a formula. So here we go. How to use about it. It's a value to score, and after we know about it, do not forget to type equal to sign if, open the brackets, and logical test. So it's about C2 to determine the value, okay, A, B, C, O, D, and the first criteria is about C2 equal to sign if, open the bracket, C2, and then over signed 90 will be A. Okay, the value that is over than or greater than 90 will be A. Okay, here. So if the value of or the score from the students having higher than 90 will be A. And second, if, and open the bracket, C2 as the score greater than 70, so the student will get B score or B grade. And the third, if C2 as a score and greater than 50 will be C score, and comma D is the score smaller than 50, so we can directly type D score, okay, with quotation mark. Do not forget to add quotation mark on the value as A, B, C, O, D, and then close the brackets after this. So there are three criteria, so we need to close brackets until three close brackets, okay, and then enter. So automatically Microsoft Excel will look for the score B. Andy will get B because he has 80 scores, and just copy the formulas, drag down to know about the formulas from another rows, from below rows, without typing manually one by one. Okay, we have done an input of three criteria from this A, B, C, and D to score, to know about the score A, B, C, or D. Okay, hopefully this might be useful for you, the tutorial on how to know about the operating of nested if. Hopefully this might be useful. Good luck for your try. Good luck for trying. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.